today I'm going to be showing you how to minimize the noise while recording. So in this particular tutorial, I'm going to use Camtasia Studio to minimize the noise. So first, click Import Media, and then select the file you want to import. So I already imported my file, so I'm gonna add this to the timeline. I'm gonna zoom a bit, and then click the audio. So clicking audio, then I'm gonna select enable voice removal, and let's undo. So let's clear out the noisy recordings. So after recording it's done, so you can see that it's very noisy. So click enable voice removal, and let's preview it. So after recording it's done, you can see that the the noise is minimized, not like before that it's very noisy. So thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and learned.